Very good morning, everybody. I hope you are with your breath. You know. And market cracked yesterday almost 300 points. You see here, and more or less the level that we talked about. Remember, this is a 38% retracement level, and exactly there the market came, and it was not able to break this level yesterday. So today would be interesting. It can fill the gap, or it can go further down to 18,000 and 16,900. So that's what we are looking at. So let's see where does the market go from here, but clearly it is breaking down. Then if I look at Infosys yesterday, Infosys broke down and the result was not bad. It was okay. The result was not bad, it was okay. And around this level here, more or less this congestion level is where it can come out. See, very difficult for this to recover actually. So on the way down, maybe around this level is what we are looking at. So the should be selling pressure continuing today. And HDFC Bank gave it a good result. Despite that, the selling continued in HDFC Bank. Whenever you are looking at HDFC Bank, always look at HDFC also. You see here. There is continuous selling from 365, this 2940 to 2263. So almost 700 points. Almost more than 25% it has fallen down from the highs. Just 1 minute, I'm opening my log. I hope all of you maintain a strict stop loss and also a proper trading log. The trading log is very important. It tells you how are you doing. Jitesh, is it good to enter in Infin HDFC for port? Why, Jitesh? क्यों? कारण बताइए. You are part of the investors club. I would expect a better question. Don't we already have a portfolio which is doing brilliant? Why do you want to enter them? Whenever you're building a portfolio, please get out of your habit patterns of buying large caps. But don't we have already stocks better than that, Jitesh? Valuations are not low. Please go and check the balance sheet again. It's expensive. Yesterday was about 18,944 rupees of profit. So 10th straight winning day I had yesterday. That is a dream run going on. The last time, let me see what was my maximum number of winning days. 5 here, 9. So in February, I had 9 winning days. Continuous, broke that. I also had 11 winning days in February. Maximum I have. Maximum is quite 21 winning days continuous I have had. Okay. Okay, guys. Today, why not go into some question answers? So people have these general queries about the market and other stuff. So let's go into some general queries that we are looking at here. I personally feel hedge than stop loss. What is your advice on this? No, Rajesh. Hedge is always better. Your return on capital is much better. You don't have to put a stop loss. But if your risk taking capacity is there and you have a capital, then you can go for a stop loss. So that depends on the person. There's nothing good or bad here. That depends on the person, what he wants to go for. You'll be surprised to know that the return on capital is better than better in a hedge than the regular one. When you're doing a hedge on Nifty, your capital requirement is only 17,000. While if you do a stop loss, the capital is about a lakh rupees. And in about 200 rupees move in a hedge, you will at least get 50% of the total move, which will be, let's say, 10,000, about 5,000 rupees. So that will be 5,000 rupees of 17,000. So the return on your capital would be 5,000 divided by 17,000. That is 29%. While in the other one, it is 10,000, roughly about, divided by 1 lakh is 10%. So in hedge, the return is double. Another advantage of a hedge is we had that yesterday in when we were working on this Infosys strategy. Bad result, gap down. So obviously the direction neutral trade doesn't work out. In that case, the hedge helps you, especially when it goes against you. The profit of the call option or the put option, which you used as a hedge, actually you can, with that, compensate, with the losses you are having into your, future and handle your position better. So any day, hedge is a better option if liquidity is there. Unfortunately, liquidity is there only in some of them. Even in bank Nifty, the hedge doesn't work very well. Mohit said, can we hedge option with option? Yeah, then it becomes a strategy. That is what option strategies are, where you are using one option with another option. But then you need to be trained properly with that, Mohit. Rajesh, I'm not taking stocks right now. For beginners, how to do hedge? Hedge is in the money. A simple rule of hedge is you buy an option that is in the money. If it is a call hedge, you buy an option which is below the spot price. And if you do a put hedge, you buy an option which is above the strike price. Till the time you're not trained in advanced options, how to do various strikes, you should use future and option that I've taught in the intraday club. Jawan says, when Infisi HD going down, Adani Enterprises AGL not affected, please elaborate. That is because of the political connections. Infosys and HDFC do not have those kind of political connections that Adani Enterprise and AW have. याद रखिए अभी पॉलिटिशियंस का भी बहुत सारा पैसा स्टॉक मार्केट में घूमता है, तो वो नीचे नहीं जाएंगे अभी फिलहाल. उनको वो क्या अभयदान मिला हुआ है. प्रमुख says if only by Rohit momentum can we take both side trade in Nifty from 930 to 3. You can actually. But then be very, very particular that get out even when you are in loss. The challenge happens when you are in loss. That's when most people hesitate in getting out. But if you can follow the rules, you will come out a winner. Use a 10-minute chart that normally works well. This month so far is about 23% returns for me. Ukraine war is going on. Inflation is high. Now, in this month, we have a Ukraine war plus inflation rise. It was a big inflation rise that happened in this month. Okay. Then Samir has a question. As we are moving to month end, it's better to hedge with the next month's positions. Yes, Samir. As you move towards the month end, do hedge with next month positions, but future also take off next month. दोनों नेक्स्ट मंथ के लेना ताकि उनके बीच का रिलेशन बना रहे. निसर्ग सिद्धांत, you have written dear sir, but that's all. So after dear sir nothing came. Thank you very much for your kind address, but please write the question. Okay. Rajesh, do you have videos that shows exact clicks for future and hedge option for two situations? One, when you are entering the first time. Second, when you're already in and either changing or exiting. For beginners, we would like to have that video if possible. I don't have any video like that, but in many of the videos that will be there that we work on. So watch a few live trading videos. In fact, last one also only we were doing it last full day live trading. But yes, I can next time I can take care. I can take more screenshots of that. Rajesh said dollar index and its impact on market. On our market, not much, but it does have impact on gold and crude oil. Siddhant said, please let us know what is the direction of Nifty future today in due course of your lecture. As I said today, Nifty today is right now on a level. So if you see here, this is it formed a spinning top yesterday. And remember, we said this is the level it will take support on. That's where it took support, 38%. I don't know possibility. Today, in fact, a good strategy would be to use the Yogeshwar Express. use the Yogeshwar Express. Look, take the first 5 minute candle high and low. Mark the first 5 minute candle high and low, and at 9:25, see which direction. First 10 minutes, no trading. 9:25, see what direction does it break, up or down, and that would be your direction. Moise, what is your feedback and order flow analysis you have been using for quite pretty good actually. In fact, I have renewed my subscription of 5,000 rupees a month. इसका 5,000 रुपये महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन है, मैंने रिन्यू कर दिया है. इसका मतलब मुझे 5,000 से तो ज्यादा फायदा हुआ इससे. It's pretty good actually. So this odd things also I'm taking. In fact, this coming Thursday for people who are part of the course, I am giving a special session on Elliott waves and Neo waves, and that would be another interesting topic we'll be looking at. But it is only for intraday. This is not for any other form of it. Like you see, the selling continued till the end. If you look at the 30-minute chart yesterday, so we can see this was the market continuously selling till the end. Some buying came in the last 1 hour. Overall, it was selling. So this is pretty good. But then another thing I have seen, ये candle भी यही दिखाती है actually. So it is the confirmation of your candle. So this order flow system for me is more of a confirmation of my candle. So it is not a trade execution strategy. It is a trade confirmation method. Praveen says Corona again picking up. Yeah, but not that much अभी. तो फिलहाल जब तक अभी क्या वो फार्मा कंपनी तो चाहती है कि कोरोना बढ़ा ही रहे. कल मैं अपना बूस्टर डोज लेके आया था, कोविशील्ड का बूस्टर डोज. तो दे वर सेइंग अच्छा वो आपने ले लिया, फिर कोरोना बढ़ने वाला है. तो मैंने उनको पूछा आप ही बढ़ा रहे हो क्या? जितना कॉन्फिडेंसली आप बता रहे हो कि और बहुत सारा बढ़ जाएगा, लगता है आप ही लोग बढ़ा रहे हो, आपके डोज बिक नहीं रहे. सो yes, of course it is worrying, but I hope it will not be a big worry. प्लीज कोरोना मत बढ़वाना. मुझे 8 तारीख को यूएस जाना है. 2 बार कैंसिल हो चुका है. तो मैं इस बार मेरा पूरा सब प्रोग्राम शेड्यूल फिक्स है. नायग्रा फॉल कभी जाना है, वॉशिंगटन कभी जाना है, न्यूयॉर्क में कभी रहना है. एवरीथिंग इज बुक्ड. सो प्लीज कोरोना को मत बुलाना. इसी से गुड मॉर्निंग से LIC IPO इन बेलविल अगेन. LIC IPO की जैसी बात निकलती है, मार्केट गिर जाता है. हैव यू नोटेड? LIC IPO में उनको IPO यज्ञ करवाना पड़ेगा. कहीं ना कहीं ये IPO का जैसे आने का टाइम होता है तो मार्केट गिर जाता है. दिस IPO विल लीड टू अ बियर मार्केट. Bhavesh Sharma says, is it worth purchasing? If your capital is more than 5 lakh rupees, yes. If you do futures and all, and you can afford a 5,000 rupees, yes, then it is, I would say, अच्छा है. थोड़ा महंगा है, मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा महंगा है, पर अगर उसमें से आपको रिटर्न आता है तो nothing like it. Srinivas say, what are the charges of the investors club? Just wait 7 days, and the offer on the investors club is coming. So current charges on the investors club are 36,000 rupees a year, and they are going to be increased to 42,000 rupees a year. but the students will get it at a 50% discount. So the current charges are at 21,000 rupees a year, and then 10,000 rupees a year is the renewal that happens on the investors club. But there is offer coming now, which will be announced in a week. Then you can take that. Our portfolio is doing brilliantly well. We have created a beer-proof portfolio with our option strategies, and it is for the moment performing almost 12% better than Nifty. Amol, okay, Amol has a question. Yes, you can do that, Amol. That is very much. But then, in that, the protection from the portfolio is not there. Okay. How we can use convergence and divergences? Convergence and divergences are used, when, let's say, there is a upward move happening and a divergence is coming. So move is about to finish. If move is happening and convergence is there, it is a confirmation of the move. Jitesh, please give late evening session. Late evening session is there on Thursday, Jitesh, 9:30 to 11. And that will be taken this time by Ankur Undale. He'll be the one taking the session. I'll be there. I'll speak a little, but he'll be the one talking about it. I'm training a few guys, especially to take the lecture sessions. Amol says SGX Nifty going up. Can we accept Nifty to go? The market will go up a little, Amol. What we have to see is what happens after the first 10 minutes. Does the selling continues or does new fresh buying comes? Shrikant said Niagara Fall is a beauty. I've heard so. I've never been there, and I'm going there on full Purnima night. I've planned in such a way. I'm not planned. My wife has planned. Is that we'll be there on the full moon day. We'll be staying in the night there and coming back the next day. So that is the plan. Finish say fully agreed, sir. LIC, yes. Chanchal says somebody wants to buy LIC at extreme low of market and later take it up. Yeah, you never know. There might be an operator there. Sunuk say which oscillator indicator uses convergence and many, but I think one of the best in this is the MACD histogram. हेमंत कुमार से सी नागरा फ्रॉम कनाडा साइज बेटर वो पहले यहाँ का देख लेता हूँ फिर वहां का देख लूंगा. Great guys, that's from my side, and I have to start the intraday club. Thank you very much, all the best, and see you in the next 20 minutes.